Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your home for the hottest updates in mobile tech. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Vivo's brand new offering, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini. Now don't let the Mini label fool you. This compact beast is packing serious firepower, from a stunning OLED display and a flagship-grade chipset to a powerful triple 50MP camera system and blazing fast charging. And it's positioning itself as an affordable alternative to the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. So, if you're into compact phones that don't compromise on power, this one might just steal your heart. Let's get started. Starting with the display, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini comes with a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED panel, featuring a sharp 1.5K resolution of 2640 by 1216 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth scrolling, responsive animations, and fluid gameplay, whether you're navigating through the UI or streaming your favorite content. Being a mini, it's built for compact usability, great for those who prefer smaller phones without compromising on modern design and display quality. Bezels are minimal, and the panel curves elegantly into the sleek body, delivering a premium look and feel. Under the hood, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset. Now, this chip is believed to be a rebranded or slightly tweaked version of the Dimensity 9300 Plus, meaning you're looking at flagship-level performance with excellent power efficiency and AI capabilities. From multitasking and gaming to demanding camera features, this chipset is more than capable of handling it all. Expect minimal lags, faster load times, and fluid UI transitions, all while managing power draw efficiently. Photography lovers, this one's for you. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini rocks a dual camera setup, but both sensors are no joke. You get a 50MP primary camera, which captures crisp, detailed shots with great color accuracy, ideal for both daylight and night photography. And accompanying it is a 50MP telephoto lens, a rarity at this price point. It enables impressive zoom performance without sacrificing image clarity, perfect for portrait shots or snapping scenes from a distance. And it doesn't stop there. Flip the phone around and you'll find another 50MP front-facing camera, which means your selfies and video calls will be clearer than ever. Vivo clearly understands the importance of front-facing image quality in today's social media-driven world. Despite the phone's compact size, Vivo didn't cut corners with the battery. While the exact capacity hasn't been officially revealed, early leaks confirm it's a big battery paired with 90W fast charging, putting it in line with some of the fastest charging phones on the market. You can expect all-day battery life and a full charge in under 30 minutes, depending on the final capacity. That's the kind of power support mobile gamers and content creators love to see. On the software side, the S30 Pro Mini runs on Android 15, led with Vivo's own Origin OS 5. This combination brings a clean, fast, and highly customizable UI, with smart features like AI-based app predictions, smooth animations, dynamic widgets, and deep personalization tools. Origin OS also comes with efficient RAM management, allowing the phone to hold more apps in memory and switch between them seamlessly, something that pairs beautifully with the Dimensity 9400E chip. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini may be a mini, but it's designed to feel nothing short of premium. Its compact frame makes it super pocket-friendly while still maintaining a solid build with a premium finish. It also includes essential features like stereo speakers for immersive sound. While we don't yet have confirmation of water or dust resistance, the rest of the package looks very solid for a device positioned in the compact flagship category. To sum it all up, The Vivo S30 Pro Mini is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact smartphones of 2025. With a beautiful OLED display, flagship-tier performance from the Dimensity 9400E, an impressive 50MP triple camera system, and blazing fast 90W charging, all wrapped in a stylish, portable body, this phone is designed for users who want power without the bulk. Whether you're a gamer, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who wants a smaller phone with big capabilities, the S30 Pro Mini might just be the perfect fit. And that's it for today's deep dive into the Vivo S30 Pro Mini. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next big thing in mobile tech. Let us know in the comments, are you a fan of compact phones, or do you prefer the big screen experience? And would you pick the S30 Pro Mini over something like the Xiaomi 14 or iPhone 15? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay techy. Catch you in the next one.